Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Alright everyone, today we're going to be making a hand-printed snowman ornament. So the first supply that we're going to need is an ornament. Any size that you want to use is fine. I grabbed this one because I thought it was kind of big and my hand would look small on it, just as if it was a little child, or doing this on a smaller ornament ball. But you can choose this big one for them to use as well. I got this from the Dollar Tree, in case you're curious. We're going to be needing some white craft paint, just like that. Any white craft paint, a craft brush. You can use a bristle or a sponge brush, as I am showing here. We're also going to need some markers, some permanent markers or Sharpies. If you rather use craft paint, you can do so. Just get some small brushes for that. You can also use scraps of felt. We're going to be needing some twine or a thin ribbon, yarn, whatever you want or whatever you happen to already have at home. Use that. We're going to be using a thin ribbon. It can be this thin or it can be a little bit wider. That would be fine. Any ribbon will do. We just need a little piece from that. We're going to be using Aleene's tacky glue. You can use an Elmer's glue if you prefer to use that. We're going to need some scissors to cut our string and our ribbon. And I like to keep a little bowl to put our ornament while it dries. And then I've got some wet napkins to wipe away any little messes the kids might make. Okay, so there we go. Let's get to crafting. Alright, so now we want to do the painting, and I've got my ball right here, and I'm going to kind of position it on my bowl in the angle. I want to put this facing down, and I want to put it at an angle where I'm going to be putting my hand on it. And I notice that it has a little seam right here running across, so I kind of want to put my palm right there and then my fingers like that, so that I can create these little painted stick figures that are going to be my little snow people. Okay, so now we're just going to take our brush. We take our right hand or our left hand, whichever one you want to use, whichever one the child wants to use to do their little snow people. And we're just going to put paint all over it, like that. Try not to have little globs. Smooth them out, but do it quickly. Just like that. And whatever gets on the ball, that's it. Don't try to fix it. We want to make it cute. Okay, there we go. Let's move that out of the way, because there we have our hand. We're going to slide this over, and I have it at the angle. There's the seam back here, the bottom of the ball, and I just want to hold it, put my palm on it, and then wrap my fingers around and just kind of press. Try not to wiggle them around. Just press down like that. Okay, now we can remove our fingers, and that is what we want. At the same time, we are creating a keepsake of your child's handprint. Okay, so this is why we wanted these wet rags. Slide this over. So now you can wipe your little friend's hands, or you can just go over to the sink and wash this off. But if you have these napkins, this is a lot less that they have to walk around with on their hand while they go through your home to get to the bathroom or to a sink. Alright everyone, here we have our hand printed ball, as I showed you earlier. And we're going to let this dry for a little while. This is the way it's going to hang on the tree. So just make sure that you place your hand right where you want it to be. And now I'm just going to put this back into this little bowl and just let this dry. And we'll be back when this is completely dry. Alright everyone, our ornament has dried. I'm going to go ahead and just keep it in this little bowl so it doesn't roll off the table on me. I'm going to take some twine or some jute, or any ribbon will do, and just cut about 12 inches. And then I'm going to put that at the top here so that we have a little string to hang it from. This is a really long string. Okay, and now I'm just going to trim it. So now I have something to hang it with right there. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and decorate our little snow people. We've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can decorate them any way we want. I'm going to start off with a black marker and or Sharpie, and I'm going to draw some hats on the taller ones. So I'm just going to do a long line like that. Can you see that? A long line and then a little square on it. Okay, and then on the other one as well, draw a top hat on him. Okay, can you see that? Just let the kids draw whatever they want on them. I'm going to draw the little eyes as well. Little eyes on all of them. Little dots there. Make them bigger if I have to so they can be seen. This would be great also for Halloween and make them little ghosts. Okay, so now we want to draw little noses. So I've got my orange marker right here. Little triangles for their noses. See that? That's so cute. And then one over here. And then we can draw their little mouths again with the black marker. Just little dots for the little smiley faces. See that on there? That one's not smiling. Let's make it smiling. There's the little faces so far. Okay, so now we can take the other color markers and do other hats or whatever we want on them. Maybe some little scarves. So let's start off with some blue on this guy. He's going to have a little, just go around the top of the head and then go across. That's his little hat right there. Right there. And let me go over to the other one over here and do the same thing. And then I'm going to draw a scarf on this one in blue. And remember, the kids are going to be drawing this, so just let them draw things however they want. You see the scarf on it right there? Okay, I'm going to continue decorating it a little bit more, and then I'll come back with the finished ornament. Alright, so one last thing I want to do is I want to add a little bow to it. So I'm going to take some ribbon and just cut off about 12 inches or so and make a little bow. And you can just take some tacky glue, like an Aleene's tacky glue, right here at the top. Put some glue right on there. And then put our little bow right on top. And there you go. Alright everyone, this is my finished handprint snowman ornament. Look how cute it is. Look at those little faces on those little snow people. They look super cute. And I finished it off by putting my name and the date at the bottom. So you can put the kids' names right down here with the same Sharpie markers, and then put maybe the year so that you can remember what year it was that they created this particular ornament. Make sure you let that little bow dry before you go and hang it. Okay, so that's it everyone. I think it came out super cute. I'm going to save this so that I can remember that that's my handprint from I was going to say from 1918. No, from 2018, everybody. Let me tell you, when I was writing that date on the bottom, I was a little confused. Okay, everyone. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope that you will also give me a big old thumbs up. Leave a nice comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe. And let's see, what else can you do? Push that little notification bell so that you know when I upload videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and hope that you have been enjoying these little kids' crafts. And as always, enjoy.